Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the secret to achieving a healthy and fit body. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the secret to achieving a healthy and fit. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a unique blend of natural ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional Japanese medicine to promote weight loss, improve digestion, and boost overall health. This tonic has been formulated to target the root cause of weight gain, specifically by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. The science behind Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The secret behind the effectiveness of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic lies in its ingredients, which are carefully chosen for their proven benefits. Some of the key ingredients in the tonic include polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants are found in high concentrations in certain fruits and vegetables, and have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Capsaicin. Capsaicin is the compound that gives hot peppers their spiciness, and has been shown to boost metabolism, reduce hunger, and promote weight loss. Ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. These ingredients are combined in a precise formula that is designed to target the root causes of weight gain, promote fat loss, and support overall health and wellness. The benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. There are numerous benefits to taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, including supports weight loss by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic promotes fat loss and helps to achieve a lean and healthy body. Improves digestion. Ginger and other digestive supporting ingredients in the tonic help to improve digestion and reduce bloating. Boosts energy. The natural ingredients in the tonic work together to increase energy levels and improve overall well-being. Promotes overall health. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports overall health and wellness. How to use Okinawa